Welcome to Wild Sourdough. I'm your host, Papa Za from Weird Wild Pizza. Here we make awesome recipes from sourdough starter. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Sourdough Jalapeno Ranch Breadsticks.
1 cup ranch dressing, 1 cup pickled jalapenos, flour. Roll dough into 8 by 12 inch rectangle, flour lightly as needed. Parchment paper lime baking pan, pop that dough right in there. 1 cup of ranch, spread them. 2 cups mozzarella cheese, sprinkled. 1 cup pickled jalapenos, placed. Bake at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Slice into 8 pieces.
Wow, these look awesome. All right, let's try out this sourdough jalapeno ranch breadstick. It's a lot of jalapenos, but they're pickled, so we'll make it a little easier to eat. Whoa, those are fire. These are so good. You gotta try these. Thanks for watching Wild Sourdough. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.